Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and analysis. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster for Home, a powerful device that promises to enhance your Wi-Fi experience. We'll explore its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to its claims. The Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster is designed to address common Wi-Fi issues in larger homes or areas with weak signal coverage. It operates in the 900 MHz Wi-Fi HaLow band, allowing for a longer range and better obstacle penetration compared to traditional 2.4 GHz extenders. It boasts a range of up to 300 meters, making it ideal for extending your Wi-Fi signal to distant corners of your home or office. Its powerful obstacle penetration technology can bypass solid walls, floors, and other obstructions, ensuring a strong and stable connection. The setup is hassle-free with a plug-and-play design, so you don't need technical expertise or complex configurations. It can support up to 8 devices simultaneously, providing seamless compatibility for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other smart devices. Enhanced security features protect your network from unauthorized access, ensuring your personal data stays safe. To test its performance, we placed the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster in a challenging environment with thick walls and distance. The results were impressive, as we experienced minimal signal loss and stable connectivity even in the most secluded areas of our test location. Streaming, online gaming, and video calls all performed smoothly, thanks to the boosted signal. Setting up the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster was a breeze. We simply connected the transmitter to our router and the extender to our device. Within minutes, we had a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal, without the need for any technical expertise. The Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster is competitively priced at $79.99, offering great value for its performance and features. Compared to similar products on the market, it stands out as an affordable solution to improve your Wi-Fi experience. In conclusion, the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster for Home has proven itself as a reliable and effective solution for improving Wi-Fi coverage. With its long-range capabilities, obstacle penetration, and ease of setup, it addresses common Wi-Fi issues with ease. At its price point, it offers excellent value for those looking to enhance their home or office network. That wraps up our review of the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or would like us to review a specific product, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.